Karim KIMVUIDI. Karim KIMVUIDI moved to Israel without any announcement from both teams. Ashdod didn't make an announcement. Orlando Pirates didn't make an announcement. What's cooking? Pirates. He moved to Israel to join Ashdod. He's already played 90 minutes for them. They played a cup game against Hapoel Tel Aviv and they lost 2-0. The poor guy played 90 minutes in Israel. Guys, Israel is not the top league. The Israeli league is not the top league, and Israel is not Europe. If you played in Israel, you didn't play in Europe. You played in Northeast Africa. The Israeli league is a shit league. Please go and play at Cyprus, at least. Not the Israeli league, man. That's blood money there. You are earning blood money there. Poor guy. Shame, man. And we need him this side.